Hello again, kids. Let's talk about the letter Q, which is the 17th letter of the alphabet. Q is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter Q has a shape that looks like a circle with a line attached to the bottom right side that curves to the left and loops around. It is important to remember how to draw the letter Q correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter Q makes a special sound, the kilowatt sound. This sound is made by pressing the back of your tongue against the soft palate in the roof of your mouth and then releasing a burst of air. Some common words that start with the letter Q include queen, quilt, and quick. Words that have the letter Q in them are all around us, though not as commonly as other letters. We might enjoy some tasty quinoa for lunch, or wear a cozy quilt on a cold day. We might also read a book about a quiet, curious mouse, or learn about different types of quadrilaterals in math. Remembering the letter Q is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big Q for the letter Q, and get ready to continue exploring the wonderful world of language. Please, don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.